Hello, this is Jennifer in the tech department, and this is a quick video showing you how easily you can make slides into graphics to name your classes in Schoology. So I'm using Google Slides. It's just like PowerPoint, and I'll show you how to do the same thing in PowerPoint. But I just opened a slide deck, and I have a slide that I can manipulate. I'm going to go ahead and pick on number 2 because it's got a title already. Once I click my cursor where it says click to add title, I'm going to have the ability to type whatever I want. So best practice, put your name and what you're teaching, and then also add, make sure you spell it correctly, but also add your period for that particular class. Because we've talked about best practices so that students who are opening up their Schoology and they see 7 different courses, by default, they all have the same icon and it would be named something that they may not recognize. So if you replace the graphic with your own that's customized to that class and to your name and to the period that you see that student, it will be much easier for them to find. So I'm just going to toss in my name of my class, my name, what period it is. I'm going to do some manipulation, make it bigger. I'm going to change the color. I change the font, but you can customize it however you want. Then I'm going to use the embedded Google search to add a picture. So I'm going to come up to Insert, Image, and Search. When you use this feature, it allows you to pull Google images that are already copyright approved for you to be able to use them. I'm going to resize this guy because I want to make him big and toss him right there in the middle of my slide using the little red line. I'm going to need to right click on him, select order, and put him to the back so you can see my information on top. But this could be the picture for my second period class. Now you could duplicate this slide by going to the left-hand menu, right-clicking on it and click duplicate. And you could change the period, maybe change the font, maybe change the color to designate for yourself. But if you like this slide setup, then you could use it for the same one for each of your classes and just kind of manipulate what the text looks like. So if I change that text to something else and I made it maybe purple instead of red, and I went in and changed it from second to third, or you could completely recreate each one. Now, once I have the slides ready, I'm going to click on the slide I want. I'm going to come up to File, select Download, and in an online environment, you're going to want PNG. They just seem to work better, or JPEG. Typically, they work well in print scenarios. So either of those 2 files, once I select it, it's going to drop on my computer. As you see, it is saving itself. And then I go to my Schoology class, open up my course, click Edit Picture, use the Attach File option, and then I'm going to grab that picture that I just made, and you'll notice how quickly it now changes the picture for this class. So when my students open up their Schoology and they look at all their courses, they're going to see, before anything else, they're going to see this picture with my name, which class, and what period it is. So best practices for helping students organize is to customize your picture for your class. Now, if you are a PowerPoint user, doing this online, not on your computer, is the easiest way. So log into your Microsoft 365, open up a PowerPoint slide, make whatever changes you want to the text. So I can add my information. I can use Insert, Pictures, Bing Pictures to get a search bar, and I can type in my terms. And then it may not be the same pictures that you see in Google because they have different searches, but I'll grab one, click Insert, and I'll be able to make changes to that. Again, I may want to put this to the back, so I may have to move things around. customize what I want that to look like. So you can make whatever changes you want. And once you're happy with what your slide looks like, you can go to File and you can Save As and Slides as Images in order to get these to be able to use for your picture. Notice this time you're going to download all of them together as individual JPEGs, as opposed to the Google Slides where you select the individual slides and download them separately. Just whichever platform that you're most comfortable with using. Adding the picture to Schoology would be the same concept. You would just edit the picture, go out on your computer to find it and upload it, and then it will be replaced for you. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know. Have a great day.